Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am recreating Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. I was obsessed with it, so I hope you guys enjoy my recreation. If you guys want to see how to get it, let's go ahead and get started. Start off with, I'm taking the ABH Modern Renaissance palette and taking a red ochre and popping that very lightly into my crease. I went on her makeup artist's Instagram and he said that he used a shade in her crease from their collaboration palette, and this one was a very similar shade to that color that he did use, so that's why I'm taking this one to start off with. Then going into the Toofaced Sweet Peach palette, I'm taking this light white shade and popping that onto my lid as well as my brow bone. Now taking the Lorac 3 palette, I'm taking their black shade, and with a small brush, I'm really smoking this out closely to my lash line. As you see in her look, she has it very smoky, so that is what I'm doing here to create that look. And then as you see, I'm winging it out a little bit because she did have a little bit of that as well. Now going in with any liquid liner, this one is from Pixi, and I'm taking that and applying this right over top, but as you see, you still see that smokiness peek through, and that is what she definitely did have. Before we pop on the lashes, I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and then popping on these Ardell lashes. I'll leave what I'm using down below, but I believe these are very similar to what she used. I know she did use Lily lashes. I'll leave the one she used down below as well. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm going back in with that first shade, Red Ochre, and smoking this out from inner to outer lash line. Then going right in with any black eyeliner, I'm taking this and tight lining as well as doing my waterline. Now going back in with that black eyeshadow, I'm making sure to smoke out that eyeliner. Then with a big fluffy brush, I'm making sure to blend it out. And now in her look, her tear duct was very curved out, so that's what I'm doing here with some eyeliner. Taking my Nude Patootie palette, I'm taking this shade Card Stark and applying this right into my inner corner as well as my brow bone, and that is for the eyes. Now to finish up the face, she was very bronze, so for that, I'm taking my Physician's Formula Bronze Booster in the shade Medium Deep. Now taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm taking these two light shades and applying that right underneath my eyes and down the center of my face because she was very bright. For blush, hers is very peachy and bronzy, so for that I'm taking this one by MAC in the shade Warm Soul. To set my face before I apply highlighter, I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. Thank you guys so much for sending this to me. And now I'm going in with my highlight. This one is from e.l.f. It's their baked highlighter. Her highlighter was very pearly and white, so that's why I'm using this one. And lastly for lips, I didn't have a lip liner that matched hers, so I'm taking MAC's lipstick in Persistence, and I'm just aligning my lips with that first. Lastly for lips, she had a nude, so I'm taking this one by NYX in the shade Spirit, and that is for this look. I hope you guys really enjoy my recreation. Make sure to tag her. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.